Shade cloth usage, enhancing your garden and home. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting topic, shade cloth usage. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just looking to make your home more comfortable, understanding how to use shade cloth effectively can make a big difference. So, let's dive in and learn about this practical tool. Shade cloth is a lightweight, woven material primarily used to provide shade and reduce heat. It's commonly used in gardens, patios, and greenhouses. The cloth comes in varying degrees of density, often measured in percentages, which indicates how much sunlight it can block. For example, a 70% shade cloth blocks about 70% of sunlight. Shade cloth offers several benefits. Protection for plants. It protects plants from harsh sunlight, especially in summer. Temperature control. It helps in reducing the temperature in the area it covers. Energy efficiency. When used on windows or patios, it can keep your home cooler and reduce air conditioning costs. Versatility. It's available in various sizes and densities, making it suitable for different needs. Choosing the right shade cloth depends on your specific needs. Density. Higher percentages are better for delicate plants or areas with intense sunlight. Material. UV-stabilized cloths last longer and provide better protection. Color. Lighter colors reflect more light, while darker colors provide more warmth. Size. Measure the area you want to cover to ensure you get a cloth of the right size. Here are some tips for installation. Secure firmly. Use clips, ties, or staples to secure the cloth. Allow for airflow. Don't stretch it too tightly. Leave some space for air to circulate. Adjust seasonally. You may need different densities for different seasons. Beyond gardening, shade cloth can be creatively used for outdoor living spaces. Create a comfortable, shaded area on your deck or patio. Privacy screens. Use it as a screen for added privacy in your yard or balcony. Artistic projects. Its texture and colors can be used in various art or DIY projects. We hope this video has shed some light on the versatile world of shade cloth usage. Whether you're protecting your plants, cooling your home, or just adding a touch of comfort to your outdoor space, shade cloth is a fantastic and affordable solution. Happy gardening and home decorating, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.